Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best COVID test bulk is probably one of the most essential items to have on hand in today's unpredictable world, offering peace of mind and immediate answers when symptoms arise or exposure is suspected, ensuring you and your loved ones can quickly assess your health status without the hassle of searching for individual tests at the last minute, making it a smart and practical investment for any household or small business navigating ongoing health concerns. Number 5. iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. Need quick and reliable COVID-19 results? This test offers a convenient and accurate way to check your status from the comfort of your home. It's designed for ease of use and provides peace of mind. This is an FDA-authorized OTC at-home self-test, ensuring its reliability. You can get your results in just 15 minutes, allowing for fast decision-making. No need to wait days for lab results. Performing the test is incredibly simple and causes no discomfort. It uses a gentle, non-invasive nasal swab, making the process easy for anyone. Step-by-step instructions are clear and straightforward. Trusted by millions of families, this test has been widely used nationwide. It's also designed to detect multiple COVID-19 variants, keeping you informed as the virus evolves. This test is suitable for nearly everyone in your family. Individuals 15 and older can self-administer it, while adults can easily collect samples for children aged 2 to 14. It's a versatile solution for household testing. What we like. This test is a reliable choice, trusted by millions and even supplied through federal programs. It provides quick, accurate results in just 15 minutes, detecting multiple variants to keep you informed. If you are looking for a widely recognized and government-backed test for occasional use, this compact pack is an excellent option for quick peace of mind. What people say. Number 4. Genabio COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Self-Test Kit. Get reliable COVID-19 results in just 15 minutes. This FDA EUA authorized antigen test requires no appointment or lab. It's perfect for home, work, or group screenings. Each swab is soft and short, ensuring comfortable self-collection. It's suitable for ages 14 and up, or ages 2 and up with adult assistance. No deep insertion or extra equipment is needed. Skip crowded clinics and long lines with this convenient at-home test. Perform it whenever you need peace of mind. No prescription or lab drop-off required. This test provides quick and reliable results for individuals aged 2 and above. It includes proper procedures for both self-testing and assisted testing. Everything you need is included in the box. You'll find test cassettes, buffer tubes, swabs, and clear step-by-step instructions. Just open it and follow the simple guide for fast, confident results. What we like. This kit offers fast, accurate results with a focus on user comfort and convenience. Its gentle, non-invasive swab makes testing easy for all ages, and everything you need is included. If you prioritize a comfortable testing experience and the convenience of an all-in-one kit, this is a fantastic choice for home or group screening. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract positive points as the source JSON is empty. Number 3. Inspire Nitrile Exam Gloves. Introducing the Inspire Nitrile Exam Gloves. These are designed for superior protection and comfort in medical and EMT settings. Experience the original quality stretch nitrile. They offer excellent flexibility and durability for demanding tasks. Stand out with their distinctive cobalt blue color. This vibrant shade adds a professional touch to your gear. These gloves are completely latex-free, making them safe for individuals with latex sensitivities. They are also disposable, ensuring hygiene and convenience with every use. They are an essential tool for medical professionals and EMTs. Trust them for reliable performance in critical situations. What we like. These gloves provide superior protection and durability for various tasks. Made from quality stretch nitrile, they are latex-free and suitable for medical use. If you need reliable, high-quality hand protection for medical exams, cleaning, or general safety, these are a strong contender. What people say. Number 2. Inspire Stretch Vinyl Exam Gloves. Introducing the original quality disposable exam gloves. They are designed for superior protection and comfort in various settings. These gloves are completely latex-free, making them safe for individuals with sensitivities. They offer excellent stretch and tactile sensitivity. They are ideal for a wide range of tasks, from medical exams to food preparation. Keep your hands protected during cleaning, lab work, and household chores. Trusted by professionals, they provide reliable barrier protection in healthcare environments. Use them confidently for patient care and medical procedures. Each box contains 1,000 gloves, ensuring you have a plentiful supply. This bulk pack offers great value and convenience for frequent use. What we like. These gloves offer a versatile and economical option for everyday protection. They are latex-free, disposable, and ideal for a wide range of household and professional tasks. If you are looking for a cost-effective, multi-purpose glove for food service, cleaning, or light healthcare, this bulk pack provides great value. What people say. Number 1. iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. Get quick answers about your COVID-19 status. This rapid antigen test delivers results in just 15 minutes, right from the comfort of your home. There's no need to send samples to a lab. You can perform this self-test easily, providing peace of mind without leaving your house. Experience zero discomfort with its non-invasive nasal swab. Simply insert it a short distance for a comfortable testing experience. It's suitable for a wide range of ages, from children as young as 2, with adult assistance, to individuals 15 and older for self-administration. This lateral flow assay is designed to qualitatively detect the nucleocapsid protein antigen from SARS-CoV-2. It helps identify the presence of the virus. For extra help, step-by-step instructional videos are available through their app. Installation is completely optional, making it flexible for your needs. What we like. This massive bulk pack is designed for extensive and ongoing testing needs. It provides the same reliable, FDA-authorized 15-minute results as its smaller counterpart, but in a much larger quantity. If you manage a large household, a small business, or frequently need to test multiple individuals, this bulk offering is the most economical and convenient solution. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.